Hey everyone, Andreas at Pressions here to give you a quick tutorial of our online jewelry design software. When it loads, you'll see a blank canvas, and on the left over here, you'll see some tabs. The first one's our product catalog. Click on it, you'll see items that can be customized and items to embellish it. So let's start off with making a charm necklace. We'll select a chain, select a material. When you get to items and you roll over, you'll see a brief description. When you click, you get an expanded description. Over here you can select a size and then add it to canvas. If you'd like to change the style or the size, just select a different one and add it. It will update. If you don't want it, you can remove it. For the time being, we'll keep a chain to make our necklace. If you need to navigate back, you can use these breadcrumbs up here to move backwards, or this arrow to get to the higher category. So let's select a charm. We'll select a material and a color in the case of gold. Our shape is round, and we'll do a 5/8 inch charm. We can also select a finish. We'll stick with satin, it's one of our most popular, and then we can move our charm into position. So this is a 5/8 inch charm. If you're not familiar with how big that is, you can use the zoom function to adjust this quarter on the screen to be the same size as a real life quarter, and this will be the approximate real life size as well. Now we can customize from here and click the add text button, type in some text, and select a font. Find something we like, we can drag it on. If it's not the right size or style, click again and just update it. Let's go with a script. I'll zoom in back in. Now if you need to move it into a precise place and it's too difficult to do with the mouse, you can use your up, down, and right, left arrow keys to move it, but don't scrutinize too much. We will make adjustments naturally depending on the placement. So if it looks like it's supposed to be centered and you're a little bit off, we'll do that. If you're unsure, you can give us some instruction and we will follow those instructions. If it's something that we're unsure about, we'll reach out to you to clarify. But now from here you can add additional embellishments. Navigate back and you can select from a stone, symbol, raised soldered accent, or a cutout heart. On a stone, just drill down to the style, color you like, and add that to the canvas and drag it to the position you want. Now this software works a lot like Photoshop. So you have objects and they are layered one on top of the other. For some reason you put something out of order, you can use this feature, the arrange layers, which appears when you click on an item to change the position of the item. So you can see the words are behind the charm. We can play around until we get these things in the right order. If for some reason you make a mistake, we've got a safety feature to undo for those whoops-a-daisy moments. Once you've customized the front, you can customize the back. So over in the top right, there's a front and back link. Click the back and you will see the back of the charm. Go to add text. You can add something like a date. Select our font and we can adjust the font if we do something like add it to the edge of the charm. When we're finished designing, we can see the total price by clicking over here on the price and summary. Now this will give you a list of all the components, the quantity, the description, and then a price total down here. If everything looks good, we can add it to our cart and check out, or we can save it by creating a profile and a name to modify it later, or share it to our email and get a preview and a link to retrieve that design. Now if you need some help and you're kind of stuck, you can chat with us down here, or as you navigate the site, you'll see that all the items are customizable. So when you get to a product, you can click this customize button. That will load it into the software. You can purchase it as is or modify it to make it your own. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you need extra assistance, you can give us a buzz or chat with us. Thanks.